to do a very special and traditional dish from Colombia, and we have a special guest. Welcome to one of the greatest chefs in the world. Sarit, welcome to Gansama Kitchen.
Hello everyone, my name is Sari, and today we are going some delicious aborrajado from Valle del Cauca. Remember that you can call us from the number 186 74 64 13 2, I think. Yes, call us. And remember that you can follow us to Instagram and Facebook like Gamasa's Shop.
Hi. So, hi. How are you, lady?
Hi. Gansama Show?
Yes, we are Gansama Show.
OMG, my name is Sophia.
Continue.
What?
Tell me your name, lady.
Sophia.
Okay, Sophia, do you have any questions about the recipe that we are going to do?
I think that recipe is great, but I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
The flour needs to be sifted. What I need for the recipe?
You have to use your strainer to strain your flour.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Let's start with our recipe. We are going to do our house from Cali. Cali is Cali, and as you know, the rest is hills. So we're going to start with cutting the cheese. So, like this. Like this. And if you want, cut it in the middle. It will be easier for us to have this shape of cheese. So the second step, we're going to do a dough, and with this dough,